Morning. So we've just overnighted at Devil's Marbles Motel, just about to hit the road again. I just continue to be amazed at these little places in Australia that are off the beaten track. Devil's Marbles Motel last night was like amazing. Really great little place to stay. Excellent bistro. The food was top notch. I mean, if you got that food in any capital city, you'd be happy with it. And it's, 116 kilometres south of Tennant Creek. Amazing. Like a really great place. Great rooms. The charging, so these guys like Dunmara have put in one of the charging points for the Round Australia charging network that's done by the Australian Electric Vehicle Association and the Tesla Owners Club of Australia as a joint venture. So I plugged in there. I think I was fully charged in maybe 5 hours, so before midnight. In fact, what I did was charge to about 80%, and then excuse me, and then set the charge again to start again at about 5 this morning, so I was at 100 by the time I'm ready to go. Pretty chilly here this morning. I've just looked at the car, and it's 10 degrees, so for us top enders that is freezing, but it's been a really nice change. Yeah, so if you're if you're ever travelling on the road between Alice Springs and Tennant Creek, thoroughly recommend Devil's Marbles Hotel. Really top spot. The other thing was when I pulled in to charge last night, and sort of I've got a juice booster too. I was plugging all of that in. I think I had about maybe 10 or 15 people at different times coming around, having a look at the car, asking heaps of questions. Guys who work on the railway, an electrician who does a lot of remote work. In fact, I've exchanged details with him, so when we're in Alice Springs, I think over the weekend we'll catch up and he'll come and have a look at the car and take him and his family for a drive. So again, really lovely people, and it's really refreshing to get out of cities and meet different people and see what else is out there. All right, well, I think it's about 110 kilometres now to Barrow Creek. It's I think about maybe 400, bit over 400 kilometres to Alice Springs. But I'm going to stop at Barrow Creek. I'll put in a little bit of charge there, and then I'll push on. I'll probably have some better stats when I get there. One of the things with all these places, no mobile coverage, so I haven't been able to update my maps and get my exact distances to places, but I'll in fact, when I put the video together, I'll put all the bits where I was wrong and put the real numbers in. All right, so it's about just 7 o'clock in the morning now, so we'll get on the road and onwards towards Alice Springs. As we've made our way south, the landscape has subtly changed from the green of the tropics through to the deep ochre of the red centre. Likewise, as we approach Alice Springs, we see other dramatic changes as we get closer to the McDonnell Ranges. It's truly a spectacular part of Australia. There were 5 Teslas travelling from the south, east and north of Australia to meet up, and we found the first at our hotel's destination charges. Mark's gorgeous S85 is an early model with a now discontinued colour and interior options. It's a gorgeous car inside and out, and some more of that on our next video. So thanks for watching day 3 of our Alice Springs road trip series. Our next episode shows EVs in the Henley on Todd events and some of our time in Alice Springs. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel, and until next time, safe EV travels.